welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to recreate this canvas art from Hobby Lobby. I think we can do it. I'm rising up to the challenge. It's a long story that goes into it. I don't know if you want to know.
10 seconds later.
You know what? I think you want to know. So, here it goes. Here's the story. So, you know when you see something and you know that, do I want to buy it? Should I buy it? Oh, I can buy it later. And yeah, by the time I went to go buy the art, they completely stopped selling it in the stores. They don't sell it online. I can't find it. So what are you to do? I'll tell you what you should do. Make your own. DIY it. Okay, I thought I'd plug in that the makeup is done by the fantastic Kate from Beauty Bar Boutique. So what better way to shoot the intro when I'm all like fully done up? Ooh la la. Also, if you have not already done so, just go ahead, hit the bell, hit the like, subscribe. You know you're gonna want to see more of this goodies that I have planned this year and then more to come. So go ahead and do that, and without further ado, let's get started with this DIY. Okay, so you're going to take your canvas and you're going to paint it. And since I want it to look like the one from Hobby Lobby, I'm painting it black. They no longer sell this canvas art at Hobby Lobby, I had to guess what the love letters size was, so that's what we're doing here. I also had to play around with the margins and pray that the letters did not exceed an 8 by 11. I think that's the size of, oh, it's an 8 by 10. Whatever. The size of a regular letter size paper, so that this doesn't get any more expensive and we keep it cost effective, efficient. A bubble. No bubbles allowed. So let's smooth that out and then begin to stencil.
Yes, we're in luck. The 8x10, I think that's the size of a piece of paper, whatever, does fit the measurements needed for the letters, the love letters on the canvas. Okay, now we are going to use the stencils that we created from using the program I used was Word. You could use other programs if you like that are accessible to you, like Word Perfect. Man, that was really old school. Notepad, etc. And we are going to create the love letters with the gold sticker paper that we got from Amazon. So good. So now we just gotta piece it together. And by piece it together, I mean stick it together. Stick it. You know what I mean. Now that I've figured out the placement, this is when you want to be very careful, because if you have to re-peel it or re-stick it, a little bit of the paint may possibly come off, and you don't want to repaint or have to do any touch-up spots. So slow and easy wins the race here. Also, what helps is since we didn't have, the actual art piece to cut a mirror from, just having the picture posted so that I could kind of compare on the computer or your phone, or if you have a printout, it kind of helps. And there you have it, a masterpiece all on your own. Hobby Lobby, eat your heart out. Oop, there it is.
Hey, whoop, there it is, Hitman.
Just want to let you guys know, peace, love, and hugs.